Alright, what's up guys? So back to the more literal videos here for like a day or so. Anyways, should you work out when you're sick? I want to work out. I can't not work out. Let me give you some scare tactics here. Back in 2010, okay, so 7 years ago when I was 20, back in like 2010, I remember I just like had to work out like hard all the time, even though my results really didn't show it. Okay, so I was doing mostly power move training at the time, a little bit of weights too, but I couldn't fall off schedule. I could never take a break. I only took like one day off and I really didn't take it off, okay? I remember being sick and staying sick for like 4 months. It was a nightmare. I wouldn't allow myself to get better because I didn't take a break, all right? Your body needs downtime to recover. Now, to just rebuttal that, I'm kind of sick with a cold right now and I'm gonna go work out, okay? So back at it. In my honest opinion, what I believe is that your body is pretty good at telling you what you should and shouldn't do if you actually listen to it and if you're not on any form of drugs or stimulants. For example, if you take cold medication, flu medication, that hides the symptoms that you would have during a cold or a flu. So you're like, oh, I feel great. And then you're sick for like a whole week, right? I'm not saying you shouldn't take any medicine or that it's bad to take any medicine. I'm saying that if you do take medicine, you got to keep in mind that it's going to remove your symptoms. So where to start? Usually it's the best idea to not take any medicine at first, and then you can assess how sick you are. If you're feeling like, I still have all my energy, I don't have a fever, I can move around, I'm not aching or anything like that, then you know what? Work out. Maybe don't work out to the maximum intensity that you normally do. Maybe don't work out as long as you normally do, but you know what? You're probably good to go. I honestly think if you need to take medicine to feel better, then you probably should just relax as well and not really push it that hard. Point of precaution, if you're feeling worse the next day, then don't work out the next day. Take maybe the next few days off, okay? Just common sense, all right? So that's really what it comes down to. All right, so with that being said, I'm gonna go do some power moves, some body weight training, see how good I actually am, and if I begin to feel worse, I'm probably gonna cut it short. Ladies and gentlemen, the sportsman has entered the building. Oh shoot. Alright, so I'm gonna call it quits here. As you can see, I'm kind of looking a little pale, which is not a good sign. I feel okay. I don't have my maximum energy. I feel about 75%, which is a C. It has to be a C plus before you can hang it on your refrigerator. So I'm just gonna do a light body weight training day. I normally don't do that, okay? I was just trying to spice up for the vlog. All right. I really need to take it easy, okay? I saw this from the window. I can't pass it up. It's a hill. The ground is so cold up here. So hard. Wow. This looks easy, but look at what I'm dodging out here, okay? You guys see these little landmines? They're everywhere. Boots in the cornfield. It's not corn, you dimwit. Amateur photographer around here. I looked at your portfolio. It's unsatisfactory. You're unsatisfactory. So I've been using this camera for about 4 months now, and I really like it. Okay, first of all, the footage quality is great. It does pretty good in low light, especially with this lens that I got on there, because this lens has a big aperture. Okay, it's a 0.17, so it lets in a lot of light. What I've been vlogging with, it's the same camera, the GH5, but I have my Canon wide angle lens on there, and I have this cheap lens adapter that just puts it on there. You know, there's a little gap. It's not the sharpest, but the lens adapter was $20 rather than buying like a $500 lens. So I got this, and it does the job as long as you focus it in. Yeah, all these puns. See that? That's recording with just the sensor. It's probably not good for the camera. Now the lens is going on. The lens is on now. Now that wide angle's on. All right, I really need to just go home and relax. That was so lame. What's up, everybody? Lucas here. Today, as requested, I have a 5-minute lower back workout. But you gotta focus. Yeah, you remember that. So I came home and I just got done filming a 5-minute tutorial because that's supposed to go up tomorrow, which is Sunday. So yeah, if you guys realize that now, this is actually not Monday in this video. This is Saturday. Excuse me. It's okay because we're gonna knock this out. You guys check out this concoction right here. So instead of having a post-workout like protein shake or anything, I've decided I'm gonna make a vegetable juice. I'm thinking it's gonna cure the cold, really. So I have a lemon here that'll really help, you know, clear out the sinuses and throat and the mucus. Celery just for a base. Kale, always put kale in juice, basic. Apple, a little bit of ginger root, that'll also help open the airways. A little bit of turmeric root, and then the kicker here, a habanero pepper to lit that cold up. It's 2018, nobody uses lit anymore, come on. I always like the sound of making juice. Sounds like screaming children. Smells alright. Wow, that's gonna kill the cold, alright. It's gonna kill me too. Oh, tingles going throughout my body. I know I'm a weak sauce. Okay. What do you got there, Kevin? Can I have a sip? That was a hot habanero. Holy moly. Oh, I still have half left. Oh, okay, I'm gonna be good, guys. Don't worry, more videos coming. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace. Y'all have a good one. I'll see you in the next video.